model, 2017 Citroen Relay Boxer Transit 2.2 Hdi Ulez tipper 12 months MOT no VAT. Body, white, tipper. Mileage, 145093. MOT, the 27th of July 2026. Engine, 2198 cc 4 Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. The gearbox is rattling, could be the dual mass. Worst case, gearbox needs repairing, still start to drives. Just had a fresh 12 months MOT on it. Absolute bargain, with no VAT to pay. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent. Average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent. Average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent. Average condition. Genuine honest work value.